Hey guys, I'm here to recommend 4 books that helped to shape my life. Let's go. First book is Act Like Success, Think Like Success, and I absolutely recommend this book for anyone who wants to discover their gifts. Also, if you want like guidance on how to create a vision board and how you can do it in your own life, this is a great read. When I finished reading this book, I felt more empowered, knowing that I knew what my gift was. So, it was always there, but I just wasn't able to identify it. And definitely, this book helped a lot with helping me to identify what my gift was. A boss. Now, this book was a book that helped me to conquer my fears. To be quite honest, it helped me to kind of step back and look at how I was limiting myself, limiting my life, and it just helped me to identify ways in which I can step outside of my comfort zone and challenge myself more to step into my greatness. Yes, this book, Never Eat Alone. This is a power book that everyone should have, and it's a lot about relationships, networking, and just building your credibility and expertise. But more important, as I said, it's about networking, knowing how to connect and build your new connections. So I definitely recommend. We have Growing Influence. Now, this is a book that I was not recommended to me. I was just traveling at the airport, saw this book in the bookshop, and decided to pick it up. I read the first few lines and I was like, I need this book. I read also the about, and I just decided to read this book. So pretty much this book is about how to lead with character, expertise, and impact. So if you are a career professional or just anyone who wants to learn how to enhance your leadership skills or bring out your leadership skills and be able to grow in your career or in your business, this is a great read. I definitely recommend. Yes, those are my book recommendations, and those are the books that actually helped to shape my life, both in a personal way and professional way. And yes, if you have any book recommendations, just comment and let me know. I'm always open.